Welcome to Specialist Car Stoke. What an absolutely beautiful car we've just taken in. Audi A5 2-litre TDI S-Line Cabriolet. It is gorgeous. It is absolutely gorgeous in this colour. Shiraz red metallic. I absolutely love the colour. Great four-seater car. This one's got just over £1,000 worth of factory fitted options. Two owners from new, full Audi service history. The last owner bought it when it was about 7 months old. It is just beautiful. Great to drive, 150 brake horsepower, 6-speed manual gearbox. Fabulous, fabulous specification. Great looking car. So let's take you all the way around it. Parking sensors rear. The colour is absolutely gorgeous, especially when the sunlight just catches it. Good size boot on it. This one has also got the wind deflector, which was an option. Spare wheel in there, brand new. All the toolkit, all complete. Bodywork is absolutely stunning all the way around. It really is. No dents, no scrapes, no damage anywhere at all. It is beautiful. It's registered in March 2015 on a 15 plate. All the wheels are in great condition, no major damage on any of those. No big chunks knocked out anywhere, no big scrapes. Very, very nice. Matching Pirelli tyres all the way around. Front parking sensors, front fog lights. We'll do the close-up videos to show you we have nothing to hide. We just sell exceptional cars. It's got the full black leather, all in absolutely fabulous condition. It really is. No damage there, no scrapes on the leather, no marks, no rips. Non-smoker's car, no horrible smells in here. Of course, S-Line embossed on there. This one also has the heated seats, which is absolutely fabulous in winter. Satellite navigation, Bluetooth connection. Great stereo system on it. Satellite navigation, Bluetooth connection, parking sensors with visual display, multimedia, SD cards just go in there, heated seats, dual zone climate control, aux input just in there. It's got this beautiful leather multifunction steering wheel, cruise control just on there. Stereo controls on there. Just 43,992 miles, that's what it's done. 43,992. Very low mileage for its age. Other features include automatic lights, auto dimming mirror, automatic wipers. Hood just works straight from there. Full electric hood. No catches, just simply press the button. How quick is that? Straight back, there we go. Open air motoring. Of course, it's full HPI checked and clear. We welcome part exchange. We can arrange finance for you. Great finance available direct from ourselves. There it is with the hood down. Lovely four-seater car. So if you've got a part exchange, give us a call. We'll value it over the phone, give you approximate valuation over the phone. Simple and easy as that. As I mentioned, finance, use our finance online calculator to work out your deposits, your finance payments. Very quick and easy to sort the finance out. You can drive this car away literally within half an hour to an hour. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time again. It's all about quality and value and how we look after customers, and not purely based on price alone. So if you're looking for the best after sales, the best cars, talk to us. Multi-award winning dealer in Staffordshire, Stoke on Trent. At the end of the phone to help you, 01782 822 700. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Here to make you buying and selling cars. It's a very simple and easy process. The phone number again, 01782 822 700. Or you can click and reserve this car 24/7 direct off our website. Click reserve collect, or we can arrange home delivery if you so wish. Ask us for further details on that one. Thanks for watching. Specialist Car Stoke.